Welcome back, Flare community. I hope you're all well and having an incredible day as always. And yes, we just got a huge update in the timeline for the launch of F assets. So jumping over here over on X, we have this report from the Flare official team regarding the F asset timeline. Let's jump into it. An audit report on FXRP version 1.2 prepared by Zelic is forthcoming. All identified issues have already been resolved. Preparations are now underway for the next phase, a public Code for Renner audit competition. The competition is proceeding in two different stages. First, a submission phase, followed by a reporting phase. Here's the big news. FXRP version 1.2 will be launched on Songbird to run concurrently with the submission phase of the Code for Renner audit. Once the Code for Renner submission phase concludes, and I'll tell you when that is in just a moment, and provided all findings are addressed with no major bugs remaining, FXRP version 1.2 can move to the Flare network. It is important to note that whilst Code for Renner does not determine the launch date, it provides additional independent assurance of code readiness. Institutional demand for F assets from organizations already working with Flare such as Uphold and Vivo Power and others is very strong. However, the launch will only proceed if the competition confirms the code's security and robustness. Security first, always. So this is extremely exciting for me. We're going to go up here to this possible launch date that I suggested some time ago. The earliest that we can expect to see this, which is when this audit competition ends, is September the 22nd. And we can actually see that over here on the Code for Renner website. The start date is on the 18th of August. It lasts about 1 month, and we can see that it ends on the 22nd. And Hugo was basically saying there, or the Flare team was basically saying that if the results from the submissions are proving that it is ready to go, then this is when they can potentially launch, sometime after the submissions close, which is, of course, on the 22nd of September. Some bonus news here. This is from Block Bonez. Thoughts on claiming rarity-based rewards in FXRP? Should we do it? You let me know, and certainly make that happen if people want to. Finally, this is a bit of a too long didn't read. The audits for F Assets version 1.2 have been completed. The issues have already been resolved. F Assets version 1.2 will launch on Songbird imminently. There is an ongoing audit competition from Code for Renner which begins on the 18th of August, and the submissions are due to close on the 22nd of September. Providing all is well, F Assets version 1.2 will launch on the Flare network shortly after. This is absolutely huge and will get a lot of eyes on the Flare network, so expect some interesting price action, expect a lot of opportunities, and if you do want to maximize yield on the Flare network, please feel free to check the link below about the Patreon group, which is going to be extremely interesting over the next couple of months. That's all for this video. I'd like to thank you all so much for watching. Have yourself an incredible day as always, and until next time, I'm out.
Mission Control, we have liftoff.